Hello, my name is Kimberly Kalunga, and today I will be talking about the repair of tissues. What is a stem cell? The ability to regenerate new cells is essential for the growth and the repair of damaged tissues. Stem cells have the ability to divide repeatedly and produce daughter cells without specializing. A specialized cell will have been restricted of certain functions and have been only restricted to a certain type of cell group. An example of this is being restricted to nerve cells. A progenitor cell is actually a daughter of a stem cell, but it is partially specialized, so it will have some restrictions on what it can do to the body instead of having the whole freedom a stem cell could have. Now that we have talked about stem cells and progenitor cells, how do they help us heal? During our fetal development, many stem cells were set aside to be stored to help with future healing. The population of stem cells is very low in certain parts of the body. In the bone marrow, for example, there could be between 10,000 and 15,000 bone marrow cells, and only about one of them is going to be a stem cell. Many stem cells will travel from the bone marrow to other areas with the damaged tissue to repair the damage. In medical research, scientists have collected people's own stem cells and have modified them to be a less specialized state and making them into a specific type of cell group. Once being introduced back into the body, it targets a specific tissue or even helps heal diseases.